side up for now. We had some Maitakes. This one, it kind of grown so big on the side that it just broke when I moved it. But you can kind of see the beginning stages of this Maitake. It forms like these little globular, like little structures. And each of these will kind of elongate and then branch out. And then they'll all form their individual leaflets or fronds. So, really nice mushroom. This is actually an edible piece right here. I could take this home and slice it up into little nice Maitake pieces, and it's very delicious. Let me break that up. It's a super meaty mushroom, also referred to as hen of the woods, maybe for that reason. So, I'll put these aside. You know, you'll just be all over the place.